What's up guys, it's your favorite Pick Instant back with another cool video for all of us. Today's video is on the top 5 best daylight projector. It may be challenging to identify the most cost-effective products when purchasing various goods. I narrowed down hundreds of products based on a few standards and ranked them in this video to make your decision easier. These are just some of my favorite items that I use on a regular basis. So sit back and relax while I tell you about these amazing pieces of products. Please do check the product link in the description box below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So without any delay, let's get started. Number 5. Optoma UHD. The Optoma UHD 38 is the best daylight projector as it is perfect for anyone looking for a bright, high-resolution picture. With 4000 lumens and a contrast ratio of 1:0,000,000 to 1, this projector is ideal for displaying clear images in any environment. The UHD 38 also features a 240 Hz refresh rate and 4.2 milliseconds input lag, making it the perfect choice for gamers and movie lovers. With a 33-inch to 300 screen size, this projector can be used in any setting. And, with a lamp life of 15,000 hours, you will enjoy years of clear viewing. This projector is an upgrade compared to the Optoma UHD 30. This UHD projector has HDR and AMP, HLG compatibility and a 1:0,000,000 to 1 contrast ratio, while the UHD 30 only has a 500:0,000 to 1 contrast ratio. The Optoma UHD 38 also has a brightness of 4000 lumens, which makes it ideal for lights-on viewing, while the UHD 30 only has 3400 lumens. Number 4. Samsung 120-inch The Premier. Samsung's The Premier LSP7T is a top-of-the-line smart LED projector that delivers stunning visuals and unique features. The brightness of 2200 lumens, a resolution of 3840x2160px, and contrast of 1:0,000,000:1 make this projector perfect for home theaters and business presentations. It also features ultra-short throw technology, which allows you to project a 90-inch, 120 image from just 9.7, 16.3 away. And with smart TV capabilities, voice control, and a built-in media player, you can easily enjoy your favorite movies, TV shows, and photos. Plus, the projector's long lamp life of 20,000 hours means that you won't have to worry about replacing bulbs anytime soon. The Samsung 120 The Premier LSP7T is bigger compared to other Samsung projectors and brings the theater experience right to your doorstep. It has a contrast ratio of 2:0,000,000 to 1, which is very high compared to other models in the market. Most of them have a ratio of 1,000,000:1. This projector also comes ready to stream and has a powerful sound 2.2 channel system. Number 3. Epson Home Cinema. The Epson Home Cinema 3800 projector is perfect for watching your favorite movies and TV shows. This projector features a 3000 lumen brightness, a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels, and a contrast ratio of 100:0,000 to 1, so you'll get the ideal viewing experience. It also features 4K Pro UHD 1 projection technology and advanced 3 LCD technology, ensuring clear and vivid images. The projector is also recyclable, making it environmentally friendly. The Epson Home Cinema 3800 is a slight upgrade from the Epson Home Cinema 4010 4K. While both models have a 4K Pro UHD, the Epson Home Cinema 3800 has a brightness level of 3000 lumens while the Home Cinema 4010 produces 2400 lumens. This projector is also brighter compared to the Home Cinema 5050 and the Home Cinema 5050 UHD. Number 2. ViewSonic. The ViewSonic PX703 HD is a short-throw, high-brightness projector with 3500 lumens of color and white light output. The PX703 HD features super-colored trademark technology that provides superior color performance by combining red, green, blue, and white LEDs to produce more than 1 billion unique colors. This advanced technology has the widest color gamut available in its class while delivering up to 4 times brighter images than competitive projectors. The PX703HD natively supports resolutions up to 1080p Full HD for stunning HD images and video quality. The ViewSonic PX703HD is almost similar to the ViewSonic PX700HD. They both have a Full HD, 1920x1080p resolution and a screen size range of 30300. They also have a brightness level of 3500 lumens and are suitable for home entertainment and gaming. However, the ViewSonic PX703HD offers more installation flexibility and has a V-Color tuner in addition to a Super Color feature. Number 1. Bank. The Bank TH685 is an excellent projector for outdoor use. It has a brightness of 3500 lumens and a resolution of 1920x1080px, making it perfect for watching movies or playing games on a large screen. The contrast ratio is 10:1, and the lamp life is 15,000 hours. It also has a throw distance of 30-inch, 380, making it suitable for various spaces. The integrated speaker and gain mode make it perfect for gaming, and the game sound mode ensures that you will hear every sound effect. The Bank TH685 projector is often compared with the Optoma UHD 146X high-performance projector, and it's not hard to see why. Both projectors are within the same price range and use DLP display technology. The Bank TH685 is, however, better as it's supercharged with low input lag, which makes real-time gaming extremely thrilling. It's been specifically designed for gamers, and the awe-inspiring sound will leave you fully immersed in your game. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section, and don't forget to check out the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.